What's up, guys? So I don't know if you guys noticed, but I have a leak like right there, and I noticed that it has been coming from my differential breather. So I kind of already hooked up a breather to it yesterday because I had working Kaneohe today, and I've been working in Kaneohe like the past week, and even went all the way like Wailoa or North Shore side, and I noticed that every time I would drive far it would always leak. You see all of this stuff, these parts, I kind of wiped it down though, but everything is like wet underneath. And I didn't want to risk driving it with the leak, or not really driving it with the leak, but driving it while it has been leaking, because I'm not too sure if the fluid level inside the diff is low or getting low due to the leak, and possibly could end up messing up my gears or overheating the bearings, which happened before. And a while back, probably like a couple months back, my axle broke. I'm not too sure if I talked about it on here before, but long story short, I was at the beach, we was going to Ham, and the hub side pretty much snapped off, and the cup holding the other part of the axle just let loose, and or the axle actually just slid out of the cup. That cup right there. And this is pretty much the axle. But yeah, sorry, that was a side story. But I noticed that my diff started leaking once I've been driving it without this side, and I'm not too sure if you guys know how the gears inside the differential works, but I think because there's no load on the other side, the spider gears aren't really turning, so the whole ring gear is just straight up turning, which pretty much has been flinging fluid around and going out this guy. Yeah. So it's been leaking quite a lot, especially on further drives. It's so dirty over here, it's all wet. But I'm gonna show you guys how I pretty much ran my lines for the breather. So I attached the hose to the breather tube right there. I have the hose attached and running up here. No, sorry. It's attached. Let me get you guys a better view. It's attached over there and runs up here to a filter, which is this guy. And the reason why I put this filter is because so I could see like if fluid is coming up, and if this thing fills with fluid and tries to make its way up and like around, then that's how you know that something is definitely wrong, because for fluid to make its way up all the way to there, that must be like something caused by high pressure or whatever. So before, it pretty much just ended there off the nipple of the hardline that connects to the differential, and it pretty much just leaked onto the boot. But now it has to make its way up, and whatever fluid would make its way up, hopefully I guess would just seep back down into the diff instead of just leaking all over and causing me to lose fluid. And inside the engine bay, sorry, I never continue cleaning it, but we're gonna get to that in a bit. But yeah, you guys see how the line comes up and goes up and over and around and back down. So the reason why I did it like that, where it comes up and goes back down, is because if you just leave it straight up, there's a possibility of water going inside if water ever gets in here. And I have it going back all the way down, so it pretty much goes up and then down, coming down here. This guy, and it's been dry, so that's a good sign. No leaks so far or anymore. But yeah, just a quick tip for a breather extension mod with this thingy, to just see if your diff is pushing fluid out the breather. That's optional though, but up to you guys. So that's that, and in the rest of today's video, you already know what's going down. We're gonna spend the rest of the video cleaning. Well, I'm gonna try and get to this, but mainly try to clean up this area right here, just so to keep it clean and make sure that there's no other leaks. I also wanted to clean everything down here because I'll be replacing my axles in a little bit. Well, not today, but hopefully in the next week or two. I already got new axles sitting in the house, which are extended axles. And I also need to get to this thing right here, because the output flange is leaking from my transfer case as well. Only the front part though, but I already have ordered the parts for that, and I have those parts, same thing, sitting in the house as well. It's just a matter of time getting to it. So if you guys are interested in seeing those, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And so first, we got our purple power in a new and better bottle. Ooh. Can wash off or shoot down and soak all of this gunk right there. And my shock. I ordered this from Amazon, like right after I made the video last week, because that other sprayer I was using was kind of slowly starting to break. Might as well clean everything in here. Grab your sprayer. Oh damn, you guys can already see all of the dirt falling off. That's a good thing. Look at how much dirt that is. And that was just from the stuff on the bottom alone. That's why I never like bring out the power washer the other day or the other video. Yeah, what if I put this on my tires? Oh damn, you can already see brown. I am. Let that soak. It's kind of making it more black. I don't know, I think this one we're gonna have to scrub it. Sorry, Dad. That was pretty easy. I should have brought this a long time ago. And now, attempt number 2. Damn, look at that. Oh, sorry. Look at the insides. It's it's way cleaner. Yeah, you guys are right. I should have done this long time. Probably not gonna detail this thing thoroughly, but this is good. Since I already had the power washer out, at least wash some stuff. I think the intake manifold though, we're gonna have to spend some time scrubbing that, but that's gonna be it for another time. Alright, I think that's a wrap for the engine bay. Damn. Nice though. Whatever it did take out, it looks way better than seeing this. That built up tire shine. Ew. You can see it. I mean, you can see the difference. Boom. Now I gotta clean the driveway. Try look. So I got most of it gone. But yeah guys, damn, look at that, pretty clean. Still a little bit dirty but pretty clean. Maybe later I'll go and go over like the black stuff with any kind of stuff or whatever, but I'm sure it's pretty good to have a car that has like a little bit clean engine bay. Yeah, nice. Or a daily with a clean engine bay. Anyways, so yeah, that's some quick tips of how to do that breather extension mod. Stay tuned if you guys want to see the output flange seal replacement for a transfer case, and maybe extended axles, extended CV axles. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clean everything, water the grass, probably give this thing a wipe down because purple power probably got on the paint. I'm not too sure how harmful it is if you let it stay there, so I'm gonna just wipe that off. And then got some homework to do. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.